Hi, today we're going to show you how to replace the sensor and the PC board on a common hand dryer. Most hand dryers have a security screw or security Allen key to open it to make it tamper proof. Start by opening the securing screws. Always make sure, in cases where a unit is installed, that the electricity is connected before you start any work. This specific model is fairly easy to do. Your sensor is connected to your PC board, so it will only be one operation to replace your PC board and your sensor in one go. Undo your wiring. Remove your PC board. You can see on this specific model, the PC board has been sealed with an epoxy to prevent water from coming into it. There you go. There's your PC board and your sensor. Dispose of your old one. Take your new PC board and sensor. Position your PC board first. Okay. Secure the screw on your PC board. Make sure it's in place. Position your sensor. A good tip is to always use a screwdriver with a magnetic tip, so if your screws do fall, it's easy to pick them up, and they also stay secure in the screwdriver when you're connecting a screw. It just makes it very easy. Your sensor and your PC board has now been replaced. Make sure you connect all the wires the same way that you remove them. If you start off and you're not 100% sure, it's always good to take a picture before you remove any wiring or any screws. Thank you.